Hey space explorers, ever wonder what makes the sun tick? We're about to reveal 10 mind-blowing facts about our star that will change how you think about it forever. Buckle up, because some of these will leave you speechless. Ready to get your mind blown? Let's jump into it, starting with a fact that will make you rethink how massive the sun really is. Here's the first crazy fact. The sun makes up a jaw-dropping 99.86% of the mass of our entire solar system. Imagine this. You could fit 1.3 million Earths inside the sun. Yeah, that's how big it is. That's like fitting Earth into a cosmic gumball machine, times a million. But if you think that's wild, just wait until you hear how much space the sun doesn't take up in our solar system. Hold on a second. Contrary to popular belief, the sun is not actually on fire. Yep, that's right. What you're seeing isn't flames. It's nuclear fusion. At its core, hydrogen atoms are smashed together to form helium, and that reaction releases energy that powers everything from sunlight to life on Earth. Think of it more like a giant nuclear power plant, except way cooler and thankfully far, far away. Here's something that'll blow your mind. The center of mass for the entire solar system, also known as the barycenter, isn't inside the sun. That's right. Thanks to the massive gravitational pull of planets like Jupiter, the sun and all the planets actually orbit around a point just outside of the sun's surface. Yep, the sun is basically wobbling through space like it's had a little too much cosmic punch. Who knew our star had moves? Let's talk about sunlight. Did you know it takes sunlight about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth? That means the light you're seeing now left the sun at about the same time you decided whether to click this video. But here's the kicker. While that sunlight seems quick, it can take 100,000 to a million years for a photon to travel from the sun's core to the surface before it's free to zoom towards us. So the light you're seeing is really, really old. Talk about being fashionably late, right? Did you know that the sun's magnetic field is so huge it extends beyond Pluto? It's like the sun's personal force field, affecting everything from solar flares to the beautiful auroras we see on Earth. But get this, every 11 years, the sun's magnetic field flips. North becomes south, and south becomes north. Think of it as the sun's own cosmic reset button. Speaking of resets, wait until you hear what the sun is constantly spewing into space. The sun is a total wind machine. Solar winds, that is. These winds are streams of charged particles flying out of the sun at over 1 million miles per hour. And they're not just flying aimlessly. They help shape a giant bubble around the solar system called the Heliosphere. Think of it like the sun's invisible shield, protecting us from dangerous cosmic rays. Next time you feel a breeze, just remember, the sun is doing the same thing in space. Believe it or not, our sun is going through its midlife phase. It's about 4.6 billion years old, which means it's halfway through its life as a main sequence star. But don't worry, it still has about 5 billion years of cosmic burning before it starts winding down. Think of it as a cosmic midlife crisis without the sports car. Unlike Earth, the sun doesn't have a solid surface. What you're seeing is actually a layer of swirling, super hot plasma called the photosphere. It's a constantly changing, roiling sea of gas and energy. Living on the sun would be like trying to stand on a boiling ocean made of fire and gas. Not exactly prime real estate. Ever had your Wi-Fi lagging and blamed it on your router? Well, it might actually be the sun's fault. Solar storms from coronal mass ejections, CMEs, can interfere with satellites, GPS systems, and even internet connections here on Earth. Yep, the next time your Netflix stops loading, you can shake your fist at the sun. Here's something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Plasma tornadoes on the sun. These spinning columns of plasma can be up to 5 times the size of Earth and last for days. Driven by the sun's magnetic field, these tornadoes are as intense as they are massive. Imagine a tornado like that here on Earth. Yeah, We'll stick to sunny days and warm weather. Thanks for sticking with us on this cosmic journey. If your mind is as blown as ours, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which fact blew you away the most. We'll see you next time for more out of this world facts.